Fernandez Julius Tokyo, my entry number is CN1N0175 from PNL. Okay. This is my poster for final year project. So the title of final year project is Determination of Physical Property of Flexible Polyurethane Waste from Peninsular Malaysia. Before that, I want to introduce my supervisor. There is PS Dr. Nick Nomulia binti Mat Hassan, Department of Mechanical Engineering Technology, Faculty of Engineering Technology. Okay, proceed to the abstract. As we can see here, okay, PU is a polymeric material in different shape. It can be tailored to be either rigid or flexible, and the material to be used for a wide range. Instead, PU is quite important to us, where we can find it in the bridge or freezer insulation, building insulation, furniture cushioning, materials, automotive part, coating, adhesive, and spotwear. So there is the place where we can find the polyurethane. At the same time, PU also versatile, temperature and safe. Okay, but as the increasing volume of PU waste is produced every year in Peninsular Malaysia, at the same time, recycling PU waste should look seriously. Instead, we don't want the PU contribute the solid waste to us, where we should focus on recycling on it. So in this project, I use questionnaire as a method to survey the opinion in the community more about the polyurethane. Next, I use the three analysis: XRD, SEM, and TGA. So the three analysis I use is for determine the physical characterization and treatment method to product the flexible PU as filler used in polymer composite material in construction, product application, and others. From there, the recycled PU can save our environment. Okay, proceed to the introduction. Okay. In our country, Malaysia, solid waste management is an important environmental problem and is heavily dependent on site as the principal disposal option for handling this steady increase in solid waste output annually. Polyurethane are found in modern life, so like we introduced in the extract before, you can find the PU everywhere. So recycling PU is very important. Okay, proceed to the literature. Mostly I read the waste from PU form, where we get from the insulation material, furniture and bedding, domestic appliances. So all of this PU form, we can recycle it into three. First one is chemical recycling, where we can produce the new chemical building block. Second one is mechanical recycling, where we can use reuse as a filler. My study is gonna do find it the characteristic, so that can produce the from the recycled PU. The third one is waste to energy, where we can heat and electricity. Okay, next is methodology. First of all, I read all the from the other sources, the article, and then I find that questionnaire is the one of the way. Okay, I put the questionnaire into Google Form, and at the same time also I interview the person and the people outside there, while I also using the phone call to asking them to answer the questionnaire. So overall, there are many responses. So in the end, I analysis the questionnaire. Then next is I use the tree analysis. That is SRD, same PGA. Where before that I use the treatment method from solid PU to convert it to the powder by using the microwave and drying. Okay. Next is proceed to result and discussion. For result and discussion, you can see here is method pre-treatment where I use the flexible PUS, then I use the 0.05 NaOH to give it to put it inside the drying oven or microwave, and then put it inside the form meal machine to make it into sieve, and then make the powder size. Basically, is more of the different method to powder size 0.3 mm. So it will become the smooth powder. Okay. This is the graph for XRD. During this time, then only can carry out the microwave and drying oven sample where the solid is could not be proceed. So I got only two results for the XRD where both of the sample have the same outcome. Which you can see here is the crystalline. So next is TGA, and the TGA you can see here is this is the graph with mg against temperature in degree. There is the three sample. You can see the blue one is PU solid, the red one is microwave, the black one is drying oven. So you can see the difference between of them here from the TGA analysis. So this is the same analysis where we can see here is so the solid is more different compared to microwave and drying oven, but this two sample microwave and drying oven is almost the same. Means that the sample of comparison between microwave and drying oven is in the form powder, as I said before. Microwave structure have smooth surface compared to structure of drying oven sample, as we can see at the scanning picture below. There is 200 times for both sample microwave and drying. So this can show that drying oven sample is much more better than microwave sample, because in microwave sample can cause burn effect. So next is conclusion. Okay, in conclusion, through questionnaire, most of the responses are agreed to increase the recycling use of PU in Peninsular Malaysia. As we know that it can overcome the problem of solid waste in Malaysia. Through the analysis, the physical characterization of the treatment of the simple PU form can be known once we conduct the XRD, SEM and TGA analysis. So based on the result, I repeat it again, drying oven sample is the best sample compared to microwave and solid, because if microwave might be induce a burn effect. So that's all from me. Thank you.